Hey, I'm JR. Join us Thursday, July 14th at 4 p.m. Eastern Time for the next episode of Crutchfield Live. We are smack dab in the middle of a really cool sweepstakes for Philips Hue lights. We have 5 packs of over $500 worth of Philips Hue lights that we'll be giving away. That means 5 winners. And in the last episode, we gave away a code word to get you an extra 25 entries into the drawing. In our next episode, we'll be closing out the sweepstakes at the beginning of the episode, so it's not too late to get entered for your chance to win. We'll be announcing those 5 winners by the end of the show. Most of the show, we'll be talking about car stereo installation. We're going to bring in one of our new advisors. We're going to talk about their car and what it's going to take to make their car sound awesome. We're doing that in preparation for actually installing that and showing you the whole process, how we picked out the stuff, what stuff we decided on, and what it was like to install it. You're going to see all of that on the next couple episodes of Crutchfield Live. Join us.